Here's some Chilean earthquake trivia. Subscribe. What year did the Great Chilean Earthquake occur? Is it A, 1955, B, 1975, C, 1982, or D, 1960? The correct answer is D, 1960. What magnitude was recorded during the 1960 earthquake? Is it A, 8.1, B, 9.0, C, 7.2, or D, 9.5? The correct answer is D, 9.5. Which ocean tsunami was triggered by the 1960 earthquake? Is it A, Pacific Ocean, B, Atlantic Ocean, C, Indian Ocean, or D, Arctic Ocean? The correct answer is A, Pacific Ocean. What term describes large-scale Earth movements like the 1960 quake? Is it A, continental drift, B, tectonic activity, C, volcanic activity, or D, magnetic field changes? The correct answer is B, tectonic activity. What organization studies earthquakes in Chile? Is it A, National Seismological Center, B, National Weather Service, C, Chilean Hydrology Institute, or D, Geological Society? The correct answer is A, National Seismological Center. Which other significant earthquake occurred in Chile in 2010? Is it A, Maule earthquake, B, Valdivia earthquake, C, San Francisco quake, or D, Haiti earthquake? The correct answer is A, Maule earthquake. What is the capital city of Chile affected by quakes? Is it A, La Paz, B, Valparaiso, C, Buenos Aires, or D, Santiago? The correct answer is D, Santiago. Which volcanic activity can be linked to tectonic movement in Chile? Is it A, volcanic eruptions, B, landslides, C, earthquake damage, or D, glacier melting? The correct answer is A, volcanic eruptions. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.